Welcome to A Few Minutes with Interactivelife. Managing a school is a monumental and complex task. In recent years, different programs have come along to try to make this job easier. The problem is, the more programs pop up, the more complicated it becomes for the teachers and administration, which leads to frustration. Crucial information and communication falls through the cracks. If only there was a way to put everything onto one app, on a device that every teacher, student, administrator, and parent already has in their pocket. There is. Introducing the Interactivelife School App. With one app, you can create efficient communication between the school and parents, teachers and students, make crucial resources readily available, and enhance support from businesses and the community. Let's take a tour of some of the powerful features using a Christian school as an example. First, you will notice that the app is completely customized to fit the school's branding, including color scheme and logos and graphics. The graphics are easily changed, and the format and layout is completely flexible to your own school's needs. Let's start with the management features. On the Faculty Resources page, we've linked all the programs the staff uses every day: RenWeb, Moodle, Webmail, and more. In fact, you can link all your databases to the app if you need to. This way, it is available to all who need it, anywhere and at any time. In this example, there is even a staff-only chat section. It's an extremely handy tool, allowing you to communicate back and forth to your entire staff, avoiding announcing it over the school loudspeakers. Yet all of this is occurring in real time. Don't worry, our app allows you to make certain features and content like this appear for specific people, like staff only, and not the general app users. Efficient and enhanced communication. This is essential for every organization. The Interactivelife app makes this simple, yet powerful. There are other school apps out there that can send a general announcement to all users of the app. We call this a push notification. However, everyone who has that app would receive notifications whether they were pertinent to them or not. Only Interactivelife can allow you to send smart push notifications. You could send information to specific categories of people. For instance, only parents of 6th and 7th graders, but not anyone else. In fact, you could pick any specific criteria you wish, and then only that group would receive the information. For instance, only to parents who answered yes to volunteer for a task through a questionnaire. Because of the smart push notification, app users do not have to be inundated with announcements or information that has nothing to do with them. Your message gets out only to those who need it and when they need it. All push notifications can be manually sent or pre-programmed to specific dates and times. This allows you to work ahead, and not a single announcement will ever be missed. Message received. This feature is invaluable when there are events out of the ordinary, such as sudden school closings. Instead of trying to call every parent, you could push out the information and confirm who received the information and who did not. Unlimited sub-apps. Unique to Interactivelife is the ability to have one simple download from the app stores, yet essentially create unlimited sub-apps for every classroom, sports team, parent group, special event, and any imaginable category. The user can decide what information is important to them with a smart questionnaire. The app automatically reconfigures to their specific needs. Now, information and content is streamlined to only what the user wanted. Streaming. You don't ever have to miss a thing. You can stream on the app every sports game, band concert, graduation ceremony, chapel service, you name it. Our app takes streaming to the next level. Without ever leaving the stream, watch how you can interact with the content underneath. The ability to stream opens many opportunities. For instance, you could stream a class online and students can respond to the teacher through the chat function and even take a test without ever leaving the stream.
I've got it!
Sponsorship is one of the best ways to produce quick, large dollar funding. The Interactivelife app makes it very appealing to sponsors because you can sell advertising space on your app or while streaming a game or special event. Coupons are easily created, or you can link to sponsor websites or any other sponsor information. Safety is of utmost importance, and the Interactivelife app can enhance this greatly. Remember the staff chat? Because this is private and silent, you can coordinate a large group of people all at once, and even communicate with specific people if needed. We even give you the ability to live stream a situation from the app itself, or take pictures and video and send them instantly. There are so many more features available to you with our app, too numerous for this video. Interactivelife has built apps to run complex organizations, such as hospitals, medical clinics, construction companies, university departments, large businesses, and more.
Welcome.
Let us show you how that level of sophistication can make a powerful difference for your customized school app. Contact us at interactivelife.com or call or text Jason at 770-549-5990.